Good luck here, guys. Trinity Bird. Trinity Bird 5428. Dice roll 10 times. Letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 and 4 is 10. NQ up top. T at the bottom. 10 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, 6 and 4 is 10. Richard up top. Anthony at the bottom. Let's sort them out. The Trinity Early Bird. Let's sort them. There's your letters. Good luck here, everybody. Here we go. And Trinity Bird. Good luck, good luck. Yeah, I've got no clue, Steve. I didn't hear anything about it. I didn't hear nothing about it. What the hell? 1 second here, guys. They stickered the box itself and not the case of cards. So bear with me here. I'll try to get these cards out unscathed. Goodness gracious. What a mess. Way to go, Leaf. First up, got Tyler Scott, 5 out of 15 for the T-spot, and Anthony. Tyler Scott to 15. Nice one here for the B spot. 2 out of 15. Brian Branch. Current Detroit Lion. Brian Branch. 2 out of 15. Going to Chester. There you go, Chester. Got Cameron Peoples. 75 out of 99. Nice patch there. Going to Tom Haggerty in the C spot. Cameron Peoples to 99. Ryan Floriat, or Flournoy. 6 out of 49. Going to the R spot. And Kerry Kimbrough. And Malik Murphy, 4 out of 7. Nice card there for the M spot. On the tungsten steel, going to Jesse Minich. Again, Malik Murphy, 4 out of 7. We'll do a quick recap here. We got Ryan Flournoy, Cameron Peoples, Brian Branch to 15, Tyler Scott to 15, and Malik Murphy to 7. Again, the Trinity Bird in the books. That is the break, guys. Appreciate the fill.